Hey, my dear tiny tots, have a bright day. Welcome you all to today's English class. We are in our Unit 2. I'm lucky. It's a poem. Now let's recite the poem once. I am lucky. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. If I were a miner in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. So, I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. So, I just think I am happy to be me. Not you, but me. What do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me? Or just you? Just you. Did you all read this poem? Now let's move on to our textual exercises. Today's first exercise is let's write. Add full to the words given in brackets and complete the sentences. Here you can see, along with each question, there is a word in a bracket. With that word, you have to add full, F-U-L, full. Then you have to write in the blank. First sentence is, you must be dash to your friends. In the bracket, you can see help. So, help plus full will gives you helpful. You must be helpful to your friends. Next one, make a dash drawing. Color. You have to add full with color. So you will write colorful. Make a colorful drawing. Next one, the puppy is so dash. In the bracket you can see play. Play plus full will gives you playful. The puppy is so playful. Be dash while crossing the road. In the bracket care. So when you add full with the word care, you will get careful. Be careful while crossing the road. Now, next exercise. Join the two words to make one word. Look at the example. Peace plus full gives you peaceful. Play plus full, playful. Color plus full, colorful. Care plus full, careful. Hope plus full, hopeful. Children, do you know action words? Here you have some actions. Can you identify? This is running, run. Climbing the tree, climb a tree. Dance. What is this boy doing? Yes, jump. He is jumping. What action you can see here? Yes, playing. Play. This is singing. Sing. Riding a bicycle. Flying. Butterflies can fly. Read. Here you have seen some action words. Among these, can you write 5 things that you can do? You can start with I can. Whatever you can do, you can start with I can. I can dance. I can run. I can read. I can ride a bicycle. I can sing. These are some of the things that you can do. You can add more things that you can do along with this. Now, here in number 6, you can see I cannot. Here you have to write what you cannot. You can start like this. I cannot fly, but I can run. Next, I cannot climb a tree, but I can ride a bicycle. I cannot drive a car, but I can play. Our next exercise is give yourself a big star for being what you are. Here you have a space. There you have to draw a big star for all the things what you can do for what you are. Now let's stop our class, children. Study well, be good, do good. Thank you.